let's overview my activity. I click on turn editing off, then scroll down and once more turn editing on, sorry, and then scroll down and we shall see add an activity or resource. So here we shall choose activities, the button activities, forum. So we shall see adding a new forum to Smart. Forum name, let it be student introduction. Then description, introduce yourself. So down, display description on course page, yes. Then forum time, standard forum for general use. So we shall availability will be due date. Let's click enable and change the date. It will be, for example, the 5th of February. Okay, and then attachments and word count the same, and subscription and tracking, discussion login the same. So whole forum grading will be interesting for us. So type is point, maximum grade will be 5. Then default setting for notify students, of course, yes. And so no ratings, the same, common model settings. Okay, so and activity completion, so we shall say that enable. So then we shall click on save and display. So we can see there the results.